You know what I hate? Downtime. When our computer systems aren't working, I lose money. My computer genius nephew used to take care of our network. He meant well, but he just didn't have the skills to keep things up and running. Then I found a repair guy, somebody I could call when things broke. I could never get him on the phone. He was always late. And he didn't really care about my business. I recently decided to look for a firm that could manage every aspect of our IT infrastructure. The keyword being manage. Somebody that could head problems off before they caused us to go down. Somebody that would suggest ways to make my firm operate more efficiently, with less disruption. And then make it happen. Somebody that would make sure we don't get hacked, protect our data, and help us buy the right hardware and software licenses, at the right time. Somebody that could come up with creative solutions that would reduce downtime, make my business more agile, and saved me money. High Caliber Solutions does all of that for us and a lot more. They have been in business for over 35 years. They have a great team that is focused on solving problems. Before they become big problems. I can now focus on my business knowing I have an IT partner that has my back.